Welcome back to another vlog, another gym vlog at that. Today we're doing shoulders, and supposedly it's supposed to be intense, so I gotta keep up. We'll see how this goes. Probably I'm gonna tap out. Probably am, for real. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, what's this called? The military, whatever. And we're back at Planet Fitness, as you can tell with all the purple and yellow. So the workout we did before, I believe we did 5 sets of 10. Now we're doing 5 sets of 10 of this. Alright, so we're on our 3rd set, and these are some kind of flies or whatever, I don't know. I don't know what these are called, but I guess some kind of lateral whatever thingies. We moved on to cable flies with cheese. Let me look in the camera. She's about to start. So these I don't really like. Well, they're alright, I guess. So they're basically like what we were doing earlier with the dumbbells, but with the cables this time. Back to pull-ups. Doing 10 to 12. I think we're doing 3 sets. I don't know. I know I'm tired though. Supposedly help the shoulders. All the workouts we're doing today is shoulders and abs, and I believe some back, some parts of the back anyways. We do like a set of different shoulder workouts all in one. So everything we did, we'll do it with the dumbbells and finish off shoulders with this. I think these are called rows, but I guess it's like a different kind of row workout. I think it's our first time ever doing it like this. My man's just talking big smack right now. I guess he's mad that they telling me I'm getting big. Meanwhile, they telling him he still looks the same. Oh, he's gotten smaller. Is that right? Oh, okay. I didn't know. Somebody's big mad right now. The only reason why I'm playing right now is because of him. He's talking so much smack.
Look, this is a key example of not lifting heavy and trying to compete with somebody, because he can't.
He upped it to 200 pounds. Meanwhile, I wasn't recording for the last one at 170, and he was struggling pretty hard. He almost popped the vein in his neck. Now we at shoulder shrugs. We about to hit those focus. We about to hit those intensive ab workout that y'all seen last video. last vlog. But we haven't even started yet. But y'all want this hat for a snapback lane, and he has plenty more. His Instagram is in the link, and I will put it right there. But yeah. Another workout night finish. This time I was able to finish the ab workout, so yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and click that bell notification so you can get my updates when I drop videos. Right now I'm trying to do at least a video drop once a week since I got a lot of other stuff going on. But yeah, see you on the next one.